Morning students, in today's video we will discuss sources of financial information. The source of information plays important role for market participants. The investment decisions are based on this financial information only. As is visible on your screen, in financial information we include things like financial statements and ratio analysis. In financial statements, we include elements of financial statements, accounting standards, auditing, individual and group financial statements. Ratio analysis में we include ratios, various ratios which you would have studied earlier also, like profitability, assets turnover, financial leverage, liquidity, market value, DuPont model, Z score and capital requirements. If we talk about the sources include the various things like financial statements, statistical office data, macroeconomic data announcement, stock exchange listings, issuer current reports, prospectus, supervisory official announcements, research, newspapers, internet, professional advisory services, public registers and others. Indexes include stock indexes, equity indexes, synthetic and calculation methods. Data uses includes journal economy, industry analysis and company analysis. Further, the type of information which are used by investor for investment in securities markets and other related markets can be summarized as visible on your screen. टू पार्ट्स में इसको हम स्टडी करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज द कंपनी और द इंडस्ट्री डाटा, सेकंड इज द इकोनॉमिक डाटा. कंपनी डाटा या इंडस्ट्री डाटा इज अवेलेबल फ्रॉम एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स, प्रोस्पेक्टस, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज वेबसाइट एंड डायरेक्टरी, इन्वेस्टमेंट गाइड्स, न्यूज़पेपर्स, जर्नल्स एंड मैगजीन्स, कंपनी वेबसाइट. Whereas economic data is required on both the levels, national as well as international. National includes published statistics, CSO, Central Statistical Organization publications, RBI bulletin and publication, websites, etc. Whereas international developments are important because the economies are now open economies and happening in one economy do influence the working of the other economies also, and thus the investment decisions. The information in international development include financial statistics, manuals by rating companies, capital, international perspective and international journals. So these are the various sources of financial information. Thank you.